Hi, this is Sarah from the Vernon Area Public Library, and today I'm going to talk about Across the Desert by Dusty Bowling. Every day after school, 12-year-old Jolene takes refuge from the Phoenix heat in the library, and she watches her favorite live stream, The Desert Aviator, where 12-year-old Addie Earhart shares her adventures flying an ultralight plane over the desert. While watching this daring girl fly through the sky, Jolene can dream of what it would be like to fly with her, far away from her own troubled home life where her mom struggles with an opioid addiction. And Addie, who's grieving with the loss of her father, finds comfort in her online conversations with Jolene, her biggest and only fan. But then one day, everything goes wrong. Addie's engine suddenly stops, and Jolene watches in horror as the ultralight plummets to the ground and the video goes dark. Addie won't survive long in the desert sun and heat, but when Jolene looks for help, no one believes her. And so, armed with only a hand-drawn map and a stolen cell phone, it's up to Jolene to find her friend before it's too late. Across the Desert is a gripping story of survival, friendship, and rescue. If you'd like to put this book on hold with your Vernon Area Public Library card, go to our website or contact us by phone, email, or instant message. And if your card is from another library, you can contact them to see if it's available there too. You can find other great book recommendations and more using the links in the description down below. Thanks, and we'll see you at the library.